Hello, good evening. Today I'm going to explain what I did from morning. So, everything on the way. So, I revised the event loop of the node, means how event loop of the node is worked and which processes or which phases it pass and where it starts and where it ends. So first we will share our screen and then we open our code editor. So here we are going to observe the event loop because Node.js is all about event driven architecture. Means it is totally depends on the event based architecture. uh, Either event based architecture be synchronous or it is asynchronous, or we can say it may be as a callback functions. So there are three paradigms we have already discussed. So now we are going to discuss about the event loop phase. There are nearly 7 to 8 phase, but now which we are going to learn only 6 phases, because and other phases are not so important for us, and it is important for internal purpose. So we are going to see that those 6 phases. First is timer. If we write, first is timer, this is timer. Second is just callback functions, means just which uh, there are some TCP calling callbacks functions, TCP called, and there are some errors. Then pending, we can say pending callbacks functions, callback. And third step is it refresh, recover. This is internal process, you can say recover ticks, because it is internal process. And fourth is poll. This is all about the events and every IO, like file reading, writing, everything happen on the poll phase. And next is check phase. Fifth is check phase. When check phase happen, when in a poll, when we have a set immediate functions, like set immediate function, and it callbacks any callbacks functions, then it immediate goes to the check and resolve the set immediate functions. And sixth is close. Close means we can close, means any if we write like server or any event close, add event listener and close that event. So all the closing part happens in the close phase. So these are the steps. And if we are going to write a single simple code, like a function, suppose we have a function start, and just we are writing for learning purpose, and we have a first console dot log. And suppose first and second is we have a process, just 1 minute. yes, process dot next tick, and in this we have a callback function, and it just print two. Suppose we have also a promise functions, promise new promise object, promise okay, and it also have a callback function, and in this callback functions we have resolve like this three, then also takes a callback function. um, going to console dot log anything, suppose for, and at the end console dot log 4 5, and suppose we have another function that is set immediate, and it also has a callback function, and this one is console dot log 7, suppose 7, and delay time is 0 second. Okay, then what should it print first? Let's see. It print first, I think it follows this rule, like first synchronous code, second process dot next tick, third promise, fourth, then fourth goes to the next phase, and which is timer, then goes to the callbacks, means pending callbacks, and third recover it tick, and fourth in a poll, and fifth is check, and six is close. So according to this process, it first print 1, then 5, and then 2, then then 3. Okay, yes, then 3. Can give anything, console like x, suppose we have x. Okay, so let's run. Node index dot js. Which one? What happened? Okay, no problem. Yes, so call the functions start. Yes, 1, then 5, 2, 3, then 7. It should call at the end. So okay, this is our event, and there are some other topics like security and proxy. So what is proxy? Proxy, like it is the middleware between client and between servers. Then when we are going to request, we are going to just hit the APIs to our backend side, but it not just directly hit the backend where our projects situated or hosted. It first hit the proxy, and proxy just wants to know either it is okay or it is not okay, anything, every anything means which related to the fetching related things, it handles first, and then it pass that the things like suppose we are going to ask, suppose simple things like we are a client and just want to our server like what is the time for now. Then first request for what is the time for now, then it asks for from the server just don't reply to itself. Proxy server don't reply to itself. Proxy server first will call to our main server and ask what is the time for now. Then the answer received from the our main server to the proxy, then proxy revert that answer to me. This is the process of the proxy server. And for the security purpose, we should follow security structure, means where there are maybe vulnerable points exist. So all the things follow in the security where there are 12 points how to make a service as a software as a service. So these points are important for us, like single code base, and have a single code base for each and every app to write a well secure app. There are many things like a 12 things which depends how to create a server, how to create an app and deploy on the server. So okay, thank you.